Hey guys, happy Memorial Day weekend. You know what time it is. It is time for us to let you know what our top event picks are for this upcoming weekend and week. So let's get to it.
All right, and my first pick is going to be for Friday at 5:30 p.m. at Bourbon and Beale, Darcy Stevens. And Bourbon and Beale don't always have music, but they are making exception for this amazing musical talent. And he is a director at MSU. And Bourbon and Beale is actually located in the Battlefield Mall parking lot. And I heard they have Cajun food.
I've actually had their Cajun food. It is so delicious. I mean, oh my goodness, if you have not had their...
I don't know anywhere to have Cajun food,
yeah,
that's really cool.
That's the only place I've ever been here in Springfield that has it personally, but it is really delicious. And Darcy Stevens, he doesn't only is the director there at MSU, he also is the director for the music at the new Metro Eats.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
nice.
on West Sunshine. So Darcy is getting around, and his music is really, really fun. He's been around for quite some time. He's also in City Girls, Eagles Tribute, and such a nice guy. So my first pick is also on Friday, and it starts at 6:30 at Pappy's Barbecue, and it's the Domino Kings. Now, Pappy's Barbecue is in this teeny tiny house that they turned into a restaurant on Main Street, just north of Chestnut Expressway. And they have some really good barbecue.
Really good food.
Oh my gosh.
And really cold beer.
Yes. And they have this patio just outside.
Mm-hmm.
And
yeah, their patio is awesome.
Yeah, that they kind of remodeled, I think, in the last year or so. And the Domino Kings, you've seen them around. They played at White River Brewing Company. They've played at Tie and Timber. They've been kind of all over the place, but they're a lot of fun. So what is your second pick?
So my second pick is going to be at Carrie's on Memorial Day, which is Monday at 3 p.m. And that's going to be with the Tumbleweeds.
Yeah, so they're having a special day of music because they don't normally
awesome.
do have
Carrie's
live music.
Not on Monday.
No. So being Memorial Day, and obviously a lot of people are off, so 3 o'clock, if you're not going to the river or the lake,
all the regulars will be at Carrie's.
Yeah, and you know, in the past they used to have food too. They have like potluck.
Like a little potluck.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the Tumbleweeds, they're always a lot of fun. They've played at Mother's and a lot of other different places. I love these local bands that we have.
They sound like fun.
So my second pick is on Wednesday at Best of Luck Beer Hall with Shaun Munday. Now, we've gone to Best of Luck.
I love Best of Luck.
Yeah, they have like a huge variety of beers.
Yeah, their beer is amazing.
Yes.
Their indoor, outdoor
they have that
vibe.
Yeah, because they have that.
Cool it's like a backyard inside.
Oh, well, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Because they have the cornhole.
And some games and like
they have
old
some
grass.
Mm-hmm. And then outside with their little patio, and they have a garage door kind of open, so on the nice days. Mm-hmm. But with Shaun Munday, if you have not heard of him, he has been around for quite some time. He is a bass guitarist, and he's also been on a commercial that I was in I forgot what store I was in, but all of a sudden I heard it in the background. I'm like, wait a minute, I know that voice. Yeah, so it was like
Walmart or something.
Yeah, it was like an insurance commercial. I don't remember what insurance commercial, but it was definitely Shaun. It's like, that's super cool. But yeah, he plays there once a month. It's the first Wednesday of the month. Every month at Best of Luck. Now, that was just a small portion of everything that is going on in and around the Springfield metro area. Now, for our full list of events, Nikki, why don't you tell them where to go?
Well, you can go to our On The Scene Facebook or Instagram, or you can check out our website at onthescene417.com.
Yes. Now, if you would like us to promote you and come out and take pictures, video, interviews, and just have a great time with you guys, where would they contact us?
Well, they're going to contact us at onthescene417@gmail.com.
Correct. Now, and that also goes for if you want to become a sponsor to get that extra push of promotion. And we love to do that for you. And we would love to send you the information on that. So just contact us on that Gmail or our Facebook or Instagram. But that is all that we have for you this Memorial Day weekend. So we hope that you have a very happy Memorial Day weekend. Stay safe and make sure to join us out on the scene.